Okay. So let's try to solve the 4-dimension problem now.
So, I guess the first thing we should figure out is how many edges are on a 4-dimensional cube, and I guess we should define edges
Okay.
in 4 dimensions.
Well,
I mean, just lines.
Yeah, lines.
Because this sort of sides of a 4-dimensional cube are cubes.
Right, the sides are cubes. There are also faces that are 2-dimensional.
Yeah, and there are also these 1-dimensional edges.
Yeah. So you have to start paying attention to a lot of different things. So what are we trying to figure out how many things there are?
well,
Edges. Just how many edges are in a 4-dimensional cube.
Okay, great.
Well, a 4-dimensional cube is composed of cubes, and there are 12 edges in a cube.
I think there are 6 or...
I think it's 8.
I think that's 8. It's 8. So there are 8 cubes in a tesseract.
Okay.
So, 12 times 8, 96 edges, but do some of these edges probably will overlap.
Ah, okay.
And if I had to make a guess just of how a tesseract works, I'd say probably all of them, you count all of them twice. Because
Okay.
each edge, and like when you think about a traditional tesseract, just like the cube inside a cube,
Uh-huh.
all the edges are part of at least one other cube except for the center cube. Its edges aren't, well actually those edges are as well.
Yeah, so there's a lot of symmetry. So we have to try to figure out. So how are we gonna figure these things out?
Well, we could look at if there's like a relation, how many edges like a square has and a cube has, and we could see if that relates to like the 4th dimension.
Ah.
See if we can find some sort of pattern.
That's actually a fantastic idea. Fantastic idea. So we'll go to a simpler problem.
Yep.
Which is what problem do you want to start with?
Square.
Start with a square. Go to a cube.
No, we'll go to the hypercube.
Okay, great. Let's do that in the next movie. Good idea.